Hello everybody and welcome to another RentalTrax how-to video. We're continuing on with the in and out module. We're working through the tabs along the top when you go to modules and you go to in and out. You've got the tabs along the top here, so if you haven't seen products out, all checkouts or all check-ins yet, go back and review those now. For what we're moving on to now is the barcode. So we're actually able to create the barcodes and apply the values inside RentalTrax on this screen. So what you can see here is I've got the product ID number on the left-hand side. This is relevant to related to the product number that you give when you create the products. You can see the type of products here as well, and these are all sortable columns. The name of the product, and then the barcode column. This is what we're going to focus on here. So you can also see the category of the dealer and whether the product is active or not, but this column here is what we want to focus on. So if your product already has a barcode on it, what you can do is click on the empty field, take your scanner, and scan that number into the system, and it might look something like that once it's done. Then it's scanned into the system, and that's going to be able to, when you print out your barcodes, which is the next tab we're going to look at, when you print that out, it's going to apply that value to the barcode. So barcode readers are just input devices. They're just reading that code, which is those numbers combined there. If you do not have a value or a barcode already on your product, we can generate that for you. If you click on the auto generate barcode button over here on the top right, it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to do it. Can't reverse it once you've done it, so you can't go back and say, oops, I forgot, I don't want to fill all of them in. You kind of have to go forward. So when I say okay, it doesn't overwrite all of the existing barcodes. So that's extremely important. It doesn't overwrite all of the existing barcodes. It just fills in the blank on the other pieces. So you can see now there are no holes in my products here. There's no empty fields. It automatically fills it in for me. So it doesn't overwrite the work you've already done. So don't be afraid that if you've already put in some values, if you auto-generate, that you're going to overwrite the work that you did before. It just fills in the blanks for you. So now in the next video, we're going to teach you how to print out the barcodes for you and how that's going to look. So make sure that you check that out. If you have any questions about generating barcodes, use the green support button on the right-hand side of your system. You can always follow us along on Facebook. Go ahead and like our page at facebook.com/RentalTrax. You can see all the latest how-to videos and keep up to date with what we're doing with the system, or you can follow us on our website at www.rentaltrax.com.